I'm making peaches and cream bars today. Whiskey, whiskey. It's nice. Oh my gosh. There's an amazing bar culture on the East Coast of Canada. I'm not sure if you've heard about this, but every celebration, you have a bar. And not like going to the bar, you eat a bar. So there's a large variety of bars, and peaches and cream bars kind of are a moment for me, so it's happening. My oven's on at 350. We'll just start with there. So grab a bowl, your favorite bowl. I got a little whisk. Flour goes in first. A little sugar and a pinch of salt. That's a measurement right there, it's a pinch. Whisk this beauty all together. So there we go. And then it's time to get your hands dirty. You can use a pastry knife. You can cut this in with a fork, but I'm just gonna use my hands because I like to use my hands. So butter goes into the flour. Slowly tossing the butter in and just sort of mixing it with your fingers and crumbling it apart. Sorry, it just takes a minute. Sorry, I just kept, I'm like reading the recipe. I'm like, what the fuck is next here? How do you make this again? So it's a nice crumbly texture. This is exactly what you're looking for. Grab a pan, line it with parchment, and it's going to make your life very nice and easy. The base is going in. You only want to use half of the base, so just hands again. You're gonna take some, plop it in evenly, spread it evenly, and then press it in. So this is very, very, very simple. Okay, that's it, that's the base. Base to the side, we're making the middle. You're gonna grab your sugar, and then you're gonna grab your eggs. There's a few eggs here. You're gonna crack these together. 2, 3, 4. There's a bit of sour cream here. You're just gonna dump all that in, grab your handy dandy whisk. These 3 things get whisked together. Whiskey, whiskey. This, if we poured it straight in, would just melt to the bottom. So we're gonna add a little bit of a thickener. So you're adding a bit more flour to this mixture once it's all combined. We're almost close to the fun part, which is the nice cans of peaches. Okay, move these to the side too. This is good to go except for the one missing component, the cans. So, 2 cans of peaches. Did you know cans aren't just savory, they're also sweet. So, 2 cans of peaches. It's nice. This goes right into this. There you go. This is the fun part where we just mix it. Now it's sort of like this goopy, joyful mess. Like, you know what? If you got kids, this is a fun one for kids because it's like messy and doesn't seem to have a lot of structure. Just do it. Cans are also convenient. 7 minutes, base filling, we're almost done. This is going into the oven in seconds and we can move on with our day and wait for these gorgeous squares. Load this up. You're just gonna dump this right on top, okay? The texture is really nice. Like, I like these sort of soft, juicy textures. So scoop it all in. Okay, so this is spread nice and evenly. Make sure your peaches are like sort of pushed to each corner so every bite of the square has a little bit of a peach in there. We have the rest of our topping that goes on top. Sprinkle it gently on top. This is also your streusel topping. Just make sure it's sort of even. And this baby is going into the oven. Okay. So I'm going to let you in on a secret. I baked one of these last night because this has to bake for 65 minutes and then has to go in the fridge overnight. So it takes 65 minutes of baking and it just cuts better when it's been chilled. It just also gets chewier. So here's my pre-prepared squares. Gosh, give me a second. Look at this gorgeous, beautiful square. I think we should cut a slab and see what it looks like. What do you think? Oh my gosh. Can you hear it? That crunch? Ooh, look. It's nice. Ooh! I don't even want to talk to you anymore. I just want to eat this. Tastes like home. It's so good. This is like a pantry-made perfect dessert. Peaches and cream bars are a winner. Like, takes no time. Look at this. This is gonna feed an army. I don't need to say that. Oh.